Good afternoon, children. Welcome to fifth standard SBR online class social subject. In my previous class, yesterday class, we have discussed about the housing problems in urban area and which are the housing problems of rural area and what are the objectives we should I mean, what are the features we should have to construct the houses in a city, in a village, or in a town? What are the features should be maintained? Which are the rules and regulations by the corporation, by the municipality corporations? We have discussed yesterday. These are the points. So, a good house can provide health, happiness, and peace for family members and their neighbors. A, a good house can provide a good house can provide health, happiness, health, happiness, and peace and peace for the family. For the family members and neighbors. And neighbors. Full stop. Houses with houses with the best facilities, houses with the best facilities lead to lead to good health, lead to good health. Okay, these are the 2 points are very important to will get the happiness, health, peace in our family members and with our neighbors. What are the 2 points a good house can provide? A good house means I said features. Which are the features? So first one, proper ventilation. Yes, proper ventilation. First one should be there in our house. Means very big size door, ventilation, and windows in a hall, in a kitchen, depend upon area of the room. Depend upon area of the room, how many windows is required. The planner, the engineer will give a plan in a hall, 3 windows, 4 windows, in a kitchen, 2 windows, one in a uh, in a in a gas is there no preparing the cook. preparing the food, no, in that side window, and another one side in window, in a bedroom, and in another bedroom, and in a corridor, I mean, in a passage, and in a washroom. So wherever how many rooms are there in your house, the windows is required. Windows is very important. Along with the window, ventilation is also very important. These are the features we have to be maintained before going to construction of the house. These are the plan made by the engineers. So according to the engineer plan, we are going to construct the house. These are the basic needs. The good house means, first of all, the proper ventilation should be there. Sunlight should come in a daytime properly in all the rooms inside the houses. It means we should not use electricity in the daytime. We should use sunlight. We should use sunlight properly. We have to use sunlight in our house in all rooms. So such type of the plan, such type of the ventilation and door and windows, we have to be we have to leave the window. That is called a proper ventilation. And rainwater harvesting from the terrace and roof of our house. In a rainy season, whatever the rainwater will comes fall on our roof, all the rainwater should be making a slope of the terrace and roof. So it is coming in one side, all rainwater in one corner, or making two corners, in two sides, making pipeline. Those rainwater we have to collecting by the pipeline. It should be come down near our bore well. You should be go under the earth, underground. The water should go inside the earth, under the earth. Then what is the benefit? The benefit is the underground water level will increase in our area. I mean, like this, in a area, in a colony, all the people, they are going to constructing the house, means such a manner, such a plan if they have to do, then means there is no scarcity of underground water level in the summer season, especially in the summer season. The borewell water underground level will go very deep, then borewell will dry up, then we will facing the water problem. If we have, these are the manner, these are the features, these are the plans, if we have made going construction of our house, before going on construction of house, these are the features we have maintained. First of all, proper ventilation. Second one, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting, the whatever the rainwater will comes on the roofs, on so roof of each houses. I'm not saying about only one houses in a area, all houses, whatever the rainwater will comes for each houses, so it should be stored. It should be stored in a one house, water house, or in a, it should be make it a pipeline and make it. It should be go inside the earth, and underground water level automatically it will increase. It will be every time the borewell will be a wet. Borewell is be a wet, so we cannot face water problem in summer season. This is the one of the way of to making our house systematically. Electricity by solar energy, especially our side. Solar energy, enormous solar energy is there. Lot of solar energy we will get. We should not waste the solar energy. You should utilize the solar energy. Yes, no? We should utilize the solar energy. By the solar water heater, installing solar water heater, solar cooker, solar electricity, fitting the solar electricity, making the electricity, solar cooker. We are cooking by the solar energy only, preparing our food by using the solar energy, solar gas, solar cylinder, solar electricity pipes, solar and solar water heating. So like this, we have to utilize, especially in summer and whenever we will get the solar energy, then we have to utilize the solar energy. Like this proper way we have to construct our house. It's very good for our health. And closed underground drainage system, I said yesterday also, the drainage system made by the municipality corporation, underground drainage system in each and every one area colony under the scheme of Prime Minister Cleanliness Scheme, UGD scheme, central government scheme. They are providing the facility each and every one colony UGD facilities. UGD, underground drainage. Underground drainage. It is in front of our house. The road is there. No, it is inside the road. They have already made it. What is our duty? We have to give our connection, our water, waste water connection. Whatever the waste water will go through our house, or it may be a bathroom, or it may be a washing room, or it may be a in a washing room, or in a bathroom, or in another way of going the water, making a pipeline, and we are giving connection to the UGD, underground drainage. Then it will go the inside the earth where the pipeline is there. It will supplying, and the connection will be leaving out of the city. That is going. The dirty water will go out of the city, out of the area, out of the colony. Is a good systematic way to keeping our surrounding clean. Suppose if the underground drainage system was not there, means each and every one houses the waste water is coming out from our house and leaving on road, means the road will be every time it will be dirty only. Afterwards, what will happen? It will increases the insects, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other insects, and the smell will comes. So afterwards, the diseases will spread in the area, and afterwards, dengue, malaria, typhus, so many diseases will come. That's why being healthy, we have to. These are the rules and features we have to maintain before going to construction the houses. Already it was made by the municipal corporation, and afterwards proper system of garbage disposal from our house every day. The waste materials comes from our house, dust particles or wet particles or dry particles, vegetables and any others wastage will come, no, making separate in a one dustbin, keeping in a one separate dustbin, or it is a wet or dry separate making, and keeping out of the our house near the gate. The man municipality corporation service peoples will comes to near our house, and they are whistling every day morning, and they are collecting the these waste materials from our house, which was coming to the daily. The garbages is dumping in his van. Like this, each and every one house he will collect. Those peoples, the peoples will collect, and Then they will dump in a one big van and lorry. Afterwards, they will parcel, they will uh, transport, that is out of the city of 10, 15, 20 kilometer far away for the city. There they will dump it. Afterwards they will burn it, or they will do the recycling. That is their duty. The maintenance of the cleanliness is the duty of the corporation, municipality corporation office in every city. In a village level, it's the duty of the Grama Panchayat members, Grama Panchayat president and secretary, PDO, project officer. So accountant is all the people are appointed by the government in each and every one villages. They will maintain the cleanliness of the city. And afterwards, the good pure drinking water supply, pure drinking water supply should be maintained by the corporation by providing the pure drinking water, tap water, can water, or filter water plants in every colony under the Prime Minister Pure Drinking Scheme. In a one particular colony, I mean in a one, two, or three colony, or in a one village, installing the one plant, pure drinking plant, filter filter machine. So they will storage the filter water, mineral water, and they are giving the one card, like one ID card. They are giving each and every one house. Just we have to put that ID card, insert the ID card in a machine. Suddenly it will comes 20 liters. We have to fill the water. So there is a charge is there, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Some charge is there in every monthly. How much you want, that much you have to pay. Once we have inserted that card, so 20 liters water will comes. So these are the facilities made by the central government. Scheme of pure drinking water scheme by the Prime Minister project, Prime Minister budget. So like this, these are all the facilities, these are all the features. If is there means such type of house can provide health, happiness, and peace for the all family members, our family members, and even our neighbors also. Yes, no? Even our neighbors also. These are the facilities we should maintain. And houses with the best facilities lead the good health. Yes, no? If our houses have the best facilities, all the facilities, it will lead our good health. We will be healthy. Our house, if it is good facilities are there, means automatically it will lead our good health. So these are the features, and so and also I said in a community houses, I mean in a apartment, in a flats, number of houses, number of families are living. There will be all the features, all the facilities should be there. What first one facilities, water, transportation from their flats, their apartments to the connecting to the main road. So road should be there. While parking facility should be there, and roads should be a good road, and street lights should be maintained, and under parking facility, and safety measures we have to be take safety measures in the apartments, or and in a flats also. And some of the facilities such as underground drainage system, health center, means hospitalization near our house, hospital, medicals, and drinking water facilities, and health and sanitation, and gym, toilets, and playground. Playground is very important. Each and every one colony, each and every one area, or in a village, or in a city and town, children will play in a playground. Then afterwards, even age-old people will also you will they will time pass in a they will make also some exercises, yogas and walking, jogging, some other exercises. The people will go in a playground, in a park, in a garden. That should be there in a particular area, colony, and in a village also. Water supply, drinking, pure drinking water supply, essential of life, garbage disposal, electricity facilities, and provisional store, departmental store, and medical store. These all the facilities should be there. Then only the area and the colony or city or village, town is the good for the health, happiness, and peace. Will get the family members and neighbors. So house construction, house is very important near our house. So people living in a different type of houses, various houses such as hut house, tent house, building bungalows, igloo, boat house. So many different type of the house we will see. Different from one house to another house is comparing to one house to another houses. They are totally differ from one house to another houses. The facilities are different, rooms are different, their area are different, the structures are different, their planning are different. So varieties of houses we will see in our city, in the village. Okay. Now, residence means what? What is the meaning of residence? Residence means nothing but the many families in a village, in a city, in a town together living in a zigzag way, in a side by side constructing number of families together. They are living such a area is called a residences, family residences. All together they are living in one particular area in a particular place. Okay. Different type of the you see in the page number 125 they have given here three types of the house. One is the farmhouse, tent house, I mean called as a shed also. Another one is made by the bricks and stone and cement. Another one is also made by the bricks and cements and stone. So these are the which are the materials is required to construct the house. First of all, we need a plot size, planning, materials such as cement, sand, stone, bricks, water, steel, rod, tiles, windows, and rods, tiles, marbles, granites. So these are the things we need. Then we will start the construction of the houses. Construction of the houses is not so easy. It will take many days. Not possible to complete the construction of house in a one day or in a 1 week or in a 1 month. It needs years together, 1 year or 2 year, 1.5 year maybe, because number of laborers should be working every day, day by day, day by day. It is we are going to construct in the house. Laborers such as centering laborers, downdy laborers, carpenter, painter, and marble, putting the marble, kitchen separate, and puja room separate. Like this, so many workers are there. So much of electrification, people. So like this, so many people together, if they are doing the step by step work, not in a suddenly, not in a at a time, they will do the step by step. Then only the home will be become the perfectly and completely house, proper facilities and good house. All the facilities is required. Then afterwards it will look very nice and very good. Then we will be suitable for living for us. And afterwards we will make furniture, sofa seat, TV setting, TV. a showcase, kitchen room, fridge, air cooler, fan, air condition, AC, table, fan, system, computer systems, one table and laptop, again another then bed, cot. So like these, we will corridor size, making the one showcase, and puja room special. And afterwards, we will make the almari kapot. Kapot is also, and showcase is also like this. Different type of the whatever we need, whatever the facilities we want, all the facilities what we will make in the house. Then it will look very nice and pretty and very good and attractive. Then it is possible to live in a house. First of all, water supply is very important in our house. Every time 24 hours water should be there. 24 hours water should be there because we want water in all activities, washing the clothes, washing the rooms, cleaning the rooms, maintaining the vessels cleaning, and drinking purpose. So many things we want water. Water is very important. So 24 hours water facilities, we will make the pipeline in the kitchen, in the bathroom, outside, and corridor side, in the corner side. So all side we will make the water. Yes. So it is, then only it look nice. We the people will live happily in our house. If the facilities is not there, when there is no water, though there is no electrification, there is no the underground drainage system, then we cannot. We can. It's not possible to live in a house. Yes. So and drinking water purpose, we will be digging a bore well. Otherwise, we will install the filter in our house, tent water filter or another water filter. We will install every time that the mineral water we will get by the overall tank. So like this all facilities will make, then only we are able to live in a house. Such type of the facilities we will make. Then togetherly we are living. So the family, the house means not only one house, there will be a number of houses are there in a city, in a village, in a town, or in a area, and in a colony. So together we will live with friendly, and we are having a relationship like a friendly relationship. Whatever the functions will happen in our house, if the any functions will be there in the our neighbor's house, means we will go there and they will come to our house. Very closely, very friendly, very like relatively we will be living in a area, in a colony, in a city, in a town, or in a village. That is the very best relationship we have to keep our relation with our neighbors relations, because sometimes the neighbors will be becomes very helpful, very needful to us. So that's why we have to keep the very good relationship with our neighbors. It is very important. Some whatever the problems came, so whatever the functions are there, whatever the needs is there, whatever the essentials is there. So first of all, we will approach our neighbors only. So that's why we should keep the very good relationship with our neighbors. Always we should be live very happily along with them. And so it is we became the friendly, it will become like a one of the community. The community is nothing but we the people are living togetherly in one particular place, in one particular area. We are all the people are togetherly, we are celebrating the functions and festivals, on activities, games, whatever is there, all together we are living together, living togetherly. Such type of the environment is what as the colony area, and apartment and the flats, and city and village and town is very best, one of the opportunities. The government is nowadays the government is giving the for the housing board colony constructing the near villages. Those people are below the poverty line. People are there. No, such people the government is constructing the houses. Now far away for the village or the far away for the housing board colony, they are giving the which people are able to get that. It means below the poverty line, BPL card people are there. No? For such people, the government is providing the houses for them and formed the separate housing boards for the construction of the houses in cities. Many problems are during the construction of the house. So many problems will come, but also government will solve the problems and they will construct the houses. Yes. So these are all facilities are required to construct our house. So totally residential lessons teaching is completely over, my dear children. So and the coming next class, in coming next class, we will give the notes and we'll send the PDF notes. Then you have to complete it. Already regularly offline is started. All the children are coming to the school. You have to come to school and be present in the school. Okay. Bye, children. Thank you very much.